Did you ever think your website could be costing you money? Hey there, my name is Michael Patrick Strout, call me MPS for short, and I'm the CEO and founder of Wix Training Academy. In this video, I'm going to reveal 3 actionable tips you must know to get your Wix web development project started. Your website should be an investment, web application, web development project, and it should generate you ROI, return on investment. And I'm willing to bet that right now, your current website or web application is leaving opportunity on the table. So let's discuss these 3 actionable tips to help you get your project off the ground. Number 1, you have to go into your project with a game plan. You have to develop a list of features, functionality, inspiration that will apply to what your vision is as a visionary. Number 2, you have to do the proper research on third-party APIs, okay? So if you're gonna utilize third-party software into your web development project or web application project, you have to figure out if there's APIs available for the software you're looking to use. This is often an overlooked step and causes some controversy later on in your project because it's impossible to pull data from a third-party software that doesn't have an API available to you. And third and finally, you have to find a web development team that will help you get your project off the ground and take your vision and turn it into a reality. Let's call it what it is. Oftentimes, us as busy business owners have different aspects of the business we have to put our time to. If you have a vision, a lot of times you want to go push that vision and market it so that way you can attract a crowd to your platform. Well, in that time, you're going to need to have a team to develop the technical aspect of your project to save you that time, that stress, and that frustration of another component of your business. So I would highly recommend you utilize these 3 tips and take action on them. If you have a great idea and you'd like to take your project off the ground, my team and I are here and available, and you can click the link on or below the video and go ahead and submit your project to us. But if that's not for you, what I would encourage you to do is just simply take these 3 tips, utilize them, and see where it takes you on your project. I encourage you and I wish you the best of luck. As I like to say, take risks, be bold, and create a life of freedom. Good luck on the project.